I'm Fernando Medrano. I am the Deputy CISO at Fastly, and I'm here to talk about securing the global network. A wide-scale global network has several benefits that are inherent that help with the security mission. With a global network, if a particular node goes down, there's many others that can take its place to help continue to carry the traffic. A global network can also help with certain classes of DDoS attacks and can even make it harder for an attacker to move laterally across the network and impact multiple systems across multiple regions. In some cases, a single node can go down that can be taken over by several other nodes, or maybe even an entire site goes down and still have the resiliency built in to distribute the load across all the other nodes within a country, within a region, even across the world. And so the load balancing that can happen across the world with a global network is extremely powerful in the ways it enables a strong, resilient application and network. And so the way that we've designed our network at Fastly, we've been very thoughtful about where are these nodes placed? What kinds of facilities do they go into? Where are the high-speed network interconnects and how reliable are they? So all these considerations have played an important part of the overall resiliency that we've built into our architecture that go beyond just replicating nodes as many locations as possible. The benefits extend way beyond just the use of the services that we provide. It's the scale, the resiliency, the speed all together. Regional companies can still gain a lot of benefit from partnering with Fastly, even if they don't have a global presence. And that's simply because of already the capacity that we've built in a given region. And so a regional company may say that they need to scale to, let's say, a particular size. And so building infrastructure, coming up with bandwidth agreements, building all the infrastructure, all the supporting components for a particular scale. And then if the company grows, they need to build more. The company grows again, they need to build more. Because we've already have that capacity built in, your business can grow with Fastly because it's already there and it's utilization based. And so the benefit of using Fastly is that you don't have to be good at predicting. You can consume as much as you need, and if you grow and you grow in an unpredictable way, Fastly still has you covered. Operating a global network where we have applied the right principles for how you think about security, how you think about risk, ultimately makes the internet a better place because the sheer scale of the services that we offer to our customers and how they've leveraged Fastly to power their business ultimately means that their consumers around the world get a better experience because of the better reliability and the better security that they're able to use from their services that they experience online in a safer, better way. Our customers, and by extension their customers, remain more secure and can have better faith and trust in the services that they utilize every day. Yeah, so actually having a large distributed network is part of what makes my job as Deputy CISO absolutely fascinating every day because there are challenges to solve that are different than what many organizations otherwise have to deal with. So for instance, when we have a specific security challenge to solve for, we can't just throw a commercial off-the-shelf software tool at it. Because they generally haven't been designed for our scale and performance. So for example, a utilization of, let's say, a endpoint technology that utilizes 1% of CPU seems very minimal, but 1% of CPU replicated across thousands of servers across the world has a large cumulative effect. And so we have to be very thoughtful about how we approach that. Or similarly, trying to run hundreds of terabits per second of network traffic through a resource-hungry firewall, or trying to establish a baseline on billions of I/O operations or network requests. These are challenges that are maybe not necessarily unique, but are very specific to operating a global network at this scale. In securing global network, where I've seen maybe other security organizations fall short a little bit, is sometimes even just in the testing and resiliency of the security software that they utilize. So security software is meant to protect businesses and organizations, but can sometimes be the cause of operational failures as well. Trying to buy a bunch of vendor solutions, stitching them together, and hoping that they work together not just in a particular building, in a particular data center, but across multi-cloud environments, on-prem, in different regions with different performance capabilities, with different reliability metrics, and having it work together consistently all the time is very challenging. One of the benefits and one of the great things of being at Fastly is that we are also a security company. And when the products that we build are built to our scale. So we get to use Fastly to protect not just our customers, but ourselves as well.